Buying a used SUV sounds like a great option, but there's one thing many people miss, and that's sneaky maintenance costs. Unfortunately, purchasing a second-hand SUV is risky as well, even if the vehicle is still covered by the original warranty. Before signing a bill of sale, a buyer should always obtain a title report. Check to see the previous owner's service records, and have the vehicle under consideration inspected by a mechanic. However, there's no way to predict what future maintenance issues may arise. So to save you from all that trouble, we've shortlisted the best used SUVs with super low maintenance costs. Not only are these SUVs objectively great, but they'll also save you from going to that repair shop over and over again. Number 10. Mazda CX5. If the SUV market is a huge family, the CX5 is the hip uncle who doesn't care what the other members of that family think of him. It comes with a variety of engines, including one with 184 horsepower and four-wheel drive. The Mazda CX-5's spacious interior matches its elegant outside. Standard features include comfortable seats with lumbar support, a ton of soft materials, and a lofty center console. Its sharp air vents have a cold-to-the-touch metal finish, and its deeply sunken dials resemble those found in a cool sports car. Now that the CX-5 has been available for quite some time, consumer surveys have related that it's a very durable SUV. The majority of the owners are happy with the available amount of technology and how their car drives. Despite a few recalls, the majority of which were for reported fuel system problems, the CX-5 has generally proven to be a trustworthy car. The classic SUV comes pretty cheap secondhand, and maintenance costs are low thanks to how reliable it is. Ultimately, it's a stylish SUV that's definitely worth taking into consideration if you're looking for a large family vehicle that is both well-equipped and unexpectedly sporty to drive. Number 9. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a roomy family SUV that, in typical Honda style, defies expectations in many ways. The majority of alternatives come with a variety of diesel and gasoline engines, as well as a few hybrids. However, the CR-V is only offered with a petrol/electric hybrid engine. The CR-V's design is distinctive as well. It has a muscular appearance and is elevated from the ground for greater off-road performance. The CR-V's 184 horsepower from its 2.0-liter gasoline engine propels the vehicle to 70 miles an hour quite quickly, and maintaining that pace doesn't feel exhausting. However, when accelerating, the engine is somewhat noisy. That's because the CVT transmission, which lacks conventional gears, maintains the engine RPM at whatever level best serves the current situation. However, once you're moving, the noise fades into the distance, allowing you to enjoy a quiet and comfortable ride. Hondas are highly regarded for their dependability and quality construction by customer satisfaction surveys, meaning that buying this SUV secondhand will be super low maintenance for you. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class. If you're looking for a used midsize SUV, the Mercedes-Benz GLE is a fantastic choice. The luxurious interior of the 5-seat GLE features plenty of seats and storage. It boasts lots of power and is comfortable for daily driving, thanks to its selection of twin-turbocharged V6 and V8 engines. Apple CarPlay, front collision warning, and parallel park assist are just few of the cutting-edge technology and safety features that are offered on the GLE. Even better, the anticipated reliability and crash safety ratings for this Mercedes are excellent. However, not all of it is good news. If you prefer a smoother ride, stay with the base GLE 400 as opposed to the sport-tuned AMG versions, which have a tendency to jitter and jerk over bumpy ground. Number 7. Mini Countryman. The Mini Countryman is the kind of family vehicle for those who need a useful family vehicle but also want it to be exciting to drive and have a unique appearance. Despite its adorable aesthetics, the Mini Countryman is thankfully still pretty functional, offering enough space for passengers in the front and back, as well as a comfortable driving position. The infotainment screen of the Mini Countryman is 6.5 inches. It offers DAB digital radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and a sat-nav with attractive graphics and simple-to-use menus. It's controlled by a rotary dial located between the front seats, which makes navigating menus while driving simple. When it comes to buying a used Mini Countryman, owners have raved about its low maintenance costs. The vehicle itself is sturdy and will definitely stick it out with you for many long years. Number 6. Chevrolet Blazer. This SUV has a sports car-like appearance, and the driving experience fits the part too. It's gotten excellent reviews for reliability and backseat comfort. The Blazer is a fantastic option for eager drivers searching for a revived version, since it has thrilling handling, rapid acceleration, and sure-footed braking. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder with 193 horsepower that comes standard in the redesigned Blazer is mated to a 9-speed automated transmission and front-wheel drive. However, the 3.6-liter V6 with 308 horsepower and optional all-wheel drive is definitely the one you should ultimately go for. Number 5. Kia Sorento. Although it's a squeeze for adults in the third row, the Kia Sorento delivers 7 seats in a reasonably modest size. The Sorento's driving experience, according to critics, is fairly laid back, with little feedback from the steering but still provides a comfortable ride. Each trim level's standard equipment is competitive, and the higher trim's materials and comfort levels approach those of a luxury vehicle. A 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with 185 horsepower and a 6-speed automated transmission make up the standard powertrain. However, the 3.3-liter V6 engine, which is an optional feature, works with an 8-speed automatic and is more suited to the Sorento's weight and potential carrying capacity. Kia has a reputation for building sturdy vehicles, so this one's a safe bet if you want to keep those sneaky maintenance costs at a minimum. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a great option in the used SUV market. 4 adults and their luggage fit well in the RAV4 with no issues. Although the trunk is amply sized, only higher-end models come with electric seat adjustment and lumbar support. The Toyota RAV4 is quiet, upscale, and cost-effective. There's plenty to aid the driver, although if you continue to accelerate, the engine can become quite noisy. For the most part, driving the Toyota RAV4 should be trouble-free for many miles. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid only offers one engine option, unlike the bulk of its midsize SUV rivals. Though there's a separate plug-in hybrid RAV4. The front wheels receive the 215 horsepower produced by the 2.5-liter gasoline engine and electric motor through a CVT automatic transmission. This goes without saying, but there's a reason why Toyota cars are so popular. So you're probably not going to be worrying about getting this one repaired over and over again. Number 3. Kia Sportage. There's no way you'll get lost in a supermarket parking lot with the Sportage. It has a presence that is only equaled by Hyundai Tucson, thanks to the large Tiger Noise grille and the boomerang-shaped LED running lights up front. The SUV also has some unusual-looking LED lights on the back, and it has sharp angles and curves all over it. It definitely stands out, but we'll let you assess the aesthetic on your own. The interior is a little bit more muted, but definitely not in a bad way. There are plenty of metallic elements around the space to brighten it up, and the materials in your direct line of sight are pleasant to the touch. There are 2 12.3-inch panels for the infotainment and driver display hidden in a large panel on the dash, with a strong 7-year 100,000-mile guarantee that comes as standard on all models. Kia has a great reputation for reliability and customer service, so we don't anticipate that many owners, including those that got it secondhand, will have many issues. The Kia Sportage has a famously low maintenance cost, so it's definitely a yes from us. Number 2. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is a top-notch SUV. If you're looking for a used car that's going to be with you for the long haul, this is an option you just have to consider. It has a smooth ride, balanced handling, and a straightforward V6 power plant that gets the job done. With 2 rows of comfy seats and a comprehensive list of standard equipment, the cabin is stylish and sophisticated. Besides that, this Lexus has a respectable fuel rating. The RX provides a comfortable ride and superior driver aid technology. This car comes equipped with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control as standard features. The 3.5-liter V6 and R6 350 variants produces 295 horsepower, and front-wheel and all-wheel drive are both options you can choose from. The V6 engine and 2 electric motors in the hybrid RX 450h models combine to provide 308 horsepower, along with the standard all-wheel drive. And number 1. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has a well-established reputation for reliability, thanks to a dependable drivetrain and premium construction. It's a classic pickup truck built to outperform the competition in terms of hauling capacity and off-road ability. And because of its trustworthiness and tough mechanicals, the 4Runner is the best choice for shoppers searching for a used off-road SUV that requires little maintenance. It regularly comes in as one of the cars most likely to surpass 200,000 miles. A 4.0-liter V6 engine combined with 5-speed automatic transmission power every 2019 4Runner. 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque are produced by this engine. Although the four-wheel drive is frequently available on models, rear-wheel drive is the default. Despite having a mediocre fuel efficiency of 17 in the city and 20 highway miles per gallon, it's comparable to one of its main rivals, the significantly less durable Jeep Wrangler. Now, which SUV from this list seems like the best low-maintenance vehicle for you? Please let us know in those comments down below, and if you love SUVs as much as we do, you should definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you felt the video, give it a huge thumbs up before you go. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.